We're gonna make we're making our vegetarian chili.
Is that light bothering you?
Black Ramsey in this mother. What? Black Ramsey?
No, Ed the Menace.
Minutes making vegetarian chili.
That's right.
We got
What this?
we got some oil cooking here, a little olive oil, with a little salt and pepper on it. Right now I'm gonna put in a little garlic. And the onions.
My cousin.
Cook together like so. Put the onions in. One whole onion. Chopped. The pan is a little small for this, but it's okay.
Drop the shit on.
Alright, we're gonna let these onions cook. Let them sweat a little bit. Add a little bit more salt and pepper. Jenkins Jr. III special blend of peppers and salt. So they're cooking nicely. Very nice. Very good. Now already we've taken 2 cans of black beans, 1 can of garbanzo beans or chickpeas. And we got those cooking because those have to cook the longest. Those are the only things in a vegetarian chili that's really going to need to cook outside of what we're doing. So we're going to let those get started cooking right now. So while I'm letting my onions continue to sweat down a little bit, on the medium heat, I want to get my put some dust what I need to do. Oh, since I don't have green chilies, I'm just going to use what is this? About a good tablespoon of green sriracha chili sauce.
Ooh, how hot is this?
It tastes about the same as green chilies, so I'm gonna put some of that in there. Green mouse sauce. Ew, ew. All right.
It come out my ass.
Our onions are sweating very nicely. So what I'm gonna do next?
I got a spatula if you need to stir it.
I'm old school. I like to.
Like on the.
I'm gonna say it before. I don't need too much of that. Just a little bit. Most of the stuff that needs to cook are the veggies and the beans.
Okay.
So when I do add the artificial meat, remember that it doesn't really. It's not. You're not cooking it like ground beef, because ground beef is the actual meat. You need to cook all the evil out of it, meaning all the pathogenical viruses like Listeria, E. coli. Well, this is real stuff. All right. So vegetarian food is not necessarily the same. You don't have to worry about cooking that. You just need to warm it up to get it to temperature, and then you can incorporate it into the rest of the dish. All right. Right now, I'm going to bring the temperature back up on these because I introduced those peppers and the onions. Looking delicious. Now I'm going to add a little bit more stuff to it. Let's say it like Gordon Ramsay. Garlic powder in. Garlic powder in. Looking good.
He used the spatula.
Huh? Oh, you want me to use the spatula?
No, that is the spatula.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's the spatula I'm talking about.
No problem. So you're gonna fold that in. I want them to get a nice little colorization on them, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Get a little, ching got at it. Give that a second. That's right. Make sure all your utensils are clean and unsexed up. Back that off a little bit. I'm going to start incorporating them. Mix them in a little bit and pick it. Start getting incorporated. All right. Now we're going to start incorporating the artificial meat. That's looking pretty decent. This pan is a little smaller than I'm used to using, but that's
oh wow,
okay.
that look like ground beef for real.
Yep. All right.
I can make sloppy joes with that, huh?
Oh, absolutely.
Damn.
Good sloppy joes too. It's real easy. All you gotta do is just put it in a pan and put the sauce over top of it.
Oh wow.
A little tiny bit of seasoning, and you're good.
It look like ground beef.
Yeah.
That is really weird.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It tastes fine too. So like I said, you kind of just get this mixed in with the peppers and stuff.
You should
Just a little bit, maybe like 1/4 cup or so, just to Give it something to juice up in.
Yeah.
So I'm probably gonna put a little bit more, a stock in the actual chili.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so cooking that a little bit more.
I can't get over how that look like ground beef.
Add a little bit more salt and pepper. Let that cook a little bit more. Put some of this stock in here. And then I'm gonna come back with a little bit of water. Only because I'm trying to watch salt. So I'm gonna do a little mix. I've already started it for about maybe a good five minutes or so.
Okay.
Once the onions look like they pretty good, pretty translucent or whatever, kind of sweated in a sense.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh my God.
Let that kind of cook evenly, hopefully. Huh?
I'm just like in awe how that looks so much like damn ground beef.
Not bad, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Whoops. Okay.
Sure did. He did it, y'all. He tried it.
It's all right. So I'm gonna move this over here now. Turn that off.
Right.
Now we're gonna be done with the pan. So now I move my meat into the pan, into the pot, in.
Just throw that in the sink. I'll wash it.
Just like that.
Unless you need it again.
All of that nicely scraped in there.
Look at this.
Slowly stir it in.
Looks like damn chili.
Just like chili? No,
Yeah.
baby. This is chili. All right. Now, look. Everything's nicely incorporated. One thing I forgot was corn, but we don't really need it right now. I'm going to put some of this mixture in.
Yes. Oh, it's a
With
paste.
the juice
Okay.
of the
Chipotle.
chipotle peppers with the adobo sauce. What you want is that good old sauce. You could throw one of the peppers in there too, but that's going to kick it up with a nice smoky heat.
Okay.
You dig, but the only thing is we gotta save the rest of it.
Okay.
So
I got
that's
it.
gonna kick it up nice.
I need to put on.
All right, got that in. So water. I might add a little more because it's still got. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little more because it's still got a little bit of boiling and stuff to do. Okay, I can put some corn in it. Now I'm gonna stir that up. Stir that up. Stir it up.
And that's gonna get thick.
I probably added 1 more cup of water too much for it to get super thick, but I could always put another thing of tomato paste in it to thicken it up.
We don't have no more. Does it have to simmer? For
Basically,
everything to marinate.
Basically until
Where's the lid, baby?
the beans
there.
get soft. Cooked until they get soft. Not bad. Okay, not bad at all.
All right.
Not bad at
The bean.
all.
What is that?
Ancho, little ancho.
Is that hot too?
A little bit.
You trying to
Pepper.
burn me up? Have me just firing out shit. It's got the flavor and stuff.
A little bit of this chili powder.
My lips is
The hot stuff.
stuff.
About 2 tablespoons. in
Yes,
of
2
oil.
tablespoons of oil.
I could have used butter too. Cooking thing.
Yeah.
Use butter. So yeah, we come in now. We just let it simmer. We come back and stir it every once in a while. Let it cook real slow for about an hour or so.
Okay.
Until the beans get nice and soft. That's what takes the longest. Otherwise, the chili is pretty much done.
Okay.
Now you just wait for the beans to cook and for it to simmer down a little bit.
Okay.
Let the water simmer out.
You have to put a lid on
And that's it. And we'll serve it with chips, crackers, sour cream,
Put
and
rice
if we
on
had
it.
some, a little cheese. Oh, we got some cheese. We got spicy cheese.
it. We sure do got spicy
Yep.
cheese.
Buck! And that's it for right now, kids. Tune in a little bit later and we'll go over, as people add a little cheese. You know, since this is a little bit low sodium, you can put a little bit of Parmesan Reggiano cheese on there
Oh my God.
to add a little extra salt to it. And I'm gonna have my production assistant try some. Hello, say hi, Quilla.
Hi.
Is this your first time trying vegetarian chili?
Yes, God, yes.
All right.
Won't he do it?
Try it out. Tell me what you think. Are you getting the some with the little Parmesan on it?
Yes, I did. Get
All
some
right, let's take a good
Parmesan.
look at that.
I'm sorry.
Wait, hold on. Slow it down. There we go.
Do you see it?
Oh, it's delicious. All right. It's very hot.
Oh. Being a meathead, this is bomb.com. I mean, too close. This is bomb.com. Won't he do it?
You see, she's going for more. So what's going on here? Tell me how these flavors are attacking you right now.
They hit me all over. Oh, they want that.
First time you're having vegetarian chili, and look at the response. And she's a meathead.
I am. Die hard true meathead. Oh, God. This don't need no more seasoning or nothing. Put that. I like it. Yeah.
There you have it, folks. Thebomb.com.
No, my brother, you gotta get your own.
Oh, snip. Well, I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me today and on my cooking show.
Come on, man.
Well, here, you take it and put it back. I'd like to thank you guys for hanging out with me today on my cooking show. If you like more recipes, hit me up at blackdotradio@gmail.com. And be on the lookout for more videos coming your way real soon. Until then, I'm EP the Radio Menace, a.k.a. Black Ramsey, saying love to eat and eat to love.